In this lesson, I will talk to you with the basic information about the market cycle with multiple time frames. And the second one is the standards to use top-down analysis. And here is strongest and the most important lessons. So let's get started. The first thing about the market cycle theory at this time, you need to understand where is the play you should analyze in the one chart. I mean that how to connect all the time frame together, very detailed and logical in the markets. For example, you are applying trading with the 1 hour, 4 hour, and 50 minutes time frame. At this time, to analyze in the 1 hour time frame, you need to analyze from the 4 hour signals to the highest high in case at this time is the up movement, and from the 1 hour signals to the lowest low in case is a down movement. And on the 50 minutes time frame at this time, you will analyze from the 1 hour signals to the highest high in case up movement, and from the 1 hour signals to the lowest low in case it's down movement. And that is how we connect three time frames together. And also the market cycle theory, very important. And at this time, one more thing is a top-down standards. At this time, you need to do something when you analyze with top-down standards. The first thing is understand about the big picture of the market trend or market structures. In case you trading with price action, key level strategies, and smart money concept. And the next thing is to define buying or the selling zone in the market and wait to entry. That is a step by step how we analyze using top-down standards. For example, at this time, we have the 4 hours time frame in the Bitcoin USDT chart. And at this time, the 1 hours will be analyzed from the 4 hour signals to the lowest low in the 4 hours. Therefore, in the 4 hours at this time, we have here is the strongest selling zone in the 4 hours based on key level strategies. And at this time, to analyze the 1 hour time frame, you need to analyze from the 4 hours strongest selling zone. I mean that the red zone highest to the lowest low. Here is the first way you analyze with the 1 hour time frame, and here is second way. Even this way not touch correctly into of the 4 hours strongest selling zone, but this is very near. Therefore, you can consider to accept this case to analyze in this way and this way also, because that's still in our standards. And here is a field breakout, and also the strong signal that the strong selling zone might be weaker after many times the price touch into this strongest selling zone. And for the up movement at this time, you analyze from the lowest low to the strongest selling zone in the 4 hours. Therefore, at this time, 1 hour, you analyze down movement from the strongest selling zone to the lowest. And for the buying zone, you analyze in the reversal way, reversal methods. And that is a market cycle theory, very strong if you trading with the price action, key level strategies, and also smart money concept. And at this time, here is a 1 hour time frame in the Bitcoin USDTs. And at this time, you can notice here is field break. Also, the signal that the strongest buying zone in the 4 hours time frame might be weaker after many times price tap into this zone. And on the 1 hour time frame, we can analyze here is strongest buying zone in the 1 hour time frame because we analyze from the lowest low to the 4 hours time frame, strongest selling zone, and here is strongest buying zone in the 1 hour time frame. Therefore, at this time, you can entry in this zone. That is the confluent strategies with the key level strategies I already teach in the first course. You can refer it, and also the methods I apply multiple time frame very effectively in the market. Therefore, at this time, after the example, you can see that the first thing we can understand the big picture after analyze about the structure in the 4 hours time frame. At this time, we can see that the price below of the strongest selling zone. Therefore, at this time, price still in the downtrend. And after price in the downtrend and the strongest selling zone already weaker after many times price tap into the zone and create fail break signals. we define the strongest buying zone in the market with a 1 hour and a 15-minute time frame to define the play we can entry. And here is the result. You can see that price tap into the strongest buying zone and go up very far. And that is total theory about market cycle and about the top-down analyzation methods standards you can apply to trading very effectively, especially with key levels and smart money concept or price action. Thank you.